Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Firefox Lockwise for privacy first password storage step by step clearly. To connect Firefox Lockwise for privacy first password storage, start by opening your Firefox browser. Ensure that you are signed into your Firefox account. If you don't have an account, you can create one by visiting the Firefox Accounts page. Once signed in, locate the Firefox Lockwise extension in the Firefox add-on store. Click on the Add to Firefox button to install the Lockwise extension. After installation, you will see the Lockwise icon in your Firefox toolbar. Click on the Lockwise icon to open the application. You will be prompted to enter your Firefox account credentials if you're not already logged in. Once logged in, Lockwise will sync your password stored in your Firefox account. You can now start adding new passwords by clicking the Add button in Lockwise. Fill in the required fields such as the website name, username, and password. You can also add notes for additional context. Once completed, click the Save button to store your new password. To view your stored passwords, click on the Lockwise icon and navigate to the Saved Passwords section. Here, you can edit or remove passwords as necessary. For added security, consider enabling two-factor authentication on your Firefox account. This will provide an extra layer of protection for your stored passwords. Explore the settings in Lockwise to customize your experience further. With these steps, you are ready to use Firefox Lockwise for secure and private password storage. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.